In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add translations to a subscription type in HubSpot step by step. If you're running multilingual marketing campaigns or managing contacts across different regions, setting up subscription type translations is essential to make sure your users clearly understand what they're subscribing to in their own language. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can set this up correctly inside your HubSpot portal. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical HubSpot guides. Let's get started. First, you need to navigate to your subscription type's settings. Log into your HubSpot account, and in the top navigation bar, click on the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. Once you're inside Settings, look at the left-hand sidebar menu. From there, go to Marketing, then click on Email. Inside the Email Settings area, you'll see multiple tabs across the top. Click on the tab labeled Subscription Types. This is where all of your email subscription categories are managed, including the ones your contacts see when they manage their email preferences. Next, choose the subscription type you want to translate. You'll see a list of your existing subscription types displayed on the screen. These might include things like marketing emails, product updates, newsletters, or any custom subscription types your team has created. Click on the specific subscription type that you want to add translations to. This will open up the detailed settings page for that subscription type. Once you're inside the subscription type settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Translations. This section allows you to create localized versions of the subscription name and description, so contacts viewing your preference page in another language will see the correct translated version. In the Translation section, click on Add Translation. This will open up a new configuration area where you can choose the language and enter the translated text. Now, select the language you want to add. HubSpot will give you a drop-down list of available languages that are supported in your portal. Choose the language you're adding the translation for. After selecting the language, you'll be prompted to enter the translated subscription name and the translated description. Make sure your translations are accurate and clearly explain what type of emails the contact is subscribing to. This is important for compliance, clarity, and maintaining trust with your audience. After you've entered the translated name and description, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double-check spelling, formatting, and accuracy. Once you're satisfied, click Save to apply the translation. HubSpot will now store this translation and automatically display it to contacts who view their email preferences in that selected language. And that's it. You've successfully added a translation to a subscription type in HubSpot. You can repeat the same process to add additional languages if your business operates in multiple regions. Properly configuring subscription translations ensures a better user experience, improves transparency, and helps keep your email communications compliant across different markets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot tutorials and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.